Ooh, it sounds like a fucking hail storm. Hey, Dorothy might be coming. Is there a Dorothy alert? There should be. You should see this bridge out here. It's gonna get underwater. Look at this. There's Molly's Pond. See, there's that bench I was telling you about. You can probably sit in that, actually. You have to walk across the grass, but it's flat and it's hard. You know? Not now, but... Look at this. This reminds me of my ringtone, baby. This is really nice, though, I gotta tell you.